Tripropylene Glycol Monomethyl Ether, or TPM, is a solvent which you may use instead of Isopropyl Alcohol, or IPA, in finishing workflows. TPM is clear, low odor, and non-flammable, so it may suit your workflow better than IPA. You can purchase TPM from online distributors in bulk and store it in a cool, dry place in accordance with the supplier's guidelines. If IPA is already part of your workflow, decide if switching to TPM will work for you. Use TPM if your workspace is sensitive to flammable liquids, IPA is difficult to acquire in your region, or you're currently losing large amounts of IPA due to evaporation. Use IPA if your parts do not require curing and can air dry, your facility already handles IPA and is invested in IPA recycling, or you're satisfied with your current workflow. If you're already using IPA to wash parts, the switch to TPM is easy. Use TPM in the form wash the same way that you would use IPA. Unlike IPA, TPM evaporates very slowly at room temperature, so parts cleaned with TPM won't air dry. To remove TPM from your parts, rinse them thoroughly in clean water until all TPM has dissolved. As the solvent dissolves liquid resin, the concentration of resin in the solvent increases. TPM saturation rate is about 3 times higher than that of IPA. At high resin concentrations, TPM continues to clean parts effectively, while IPA needs to be replaced. In our testing, TPM washes about 3 times as many parts as IPA before needing to be replaced. When the specific gravity of your TPM wash reaches 1.0, it'll be notably less effective as a final wash and it's time to replace it. If you don't have a hydrometer that measures a specific gravity range from 0.9 to 1.2, the easiest way to check your TPM's effectiveness is to see if your parts still feel tacky or waxy after drying. TPM has a low toxicity level, but repeated skin contact should be avoided, so we recommend wearing gloves when handling TPM. To safely dispose of TPM, employ a local waste disposal service. Water used to rinse parts after washing them in TPM also requires removal by a waste disposal service. TPM is non-flammable, so it can be safely stored in large quantities. Because TPM can be stored in larger quantities, it can also be collected in larger quantities, making for a more cost-effective disposal process. Formlabs does not manufacture TPM, so consult the chemical manufacturer or supplier for detailed safety information and safety data sheets. Now that you know more about TPM and how to use it, you're ready to implement it into your workflow.